Hey guys, welcome back to Arcade Garage. Today we should be putting my drift car onto my own personal dyno. We're going to be tuning it. It's now an E85, so I got to adjust the tune. Have a drift event this Saturday night. It is Thursday. So just quickly, we are not shooting for the biggest power this can make. It's not going to make impressive power. I'm going to be aiming for around the 400 or 450 horsepower mark area. That's all I need to be competitive. This has a 0.63 rear housing turbo on it. That is going to limit us massively. You're going to see it come on really early, and then you're just going to see the boost taper off and the power taper off pretty quickly because the rear housing is too small. But for drifting, that's perfect. For transient throttle, on and off the throttle, straight back on the power a lot, which is what we need when we're up against NA V8s, turbo V8s that still have that power down low. And then obviously there's a lot of RBs, SRs that have correct size turbos, hence why correct size turbo on an Ecotec. Anyway, let's not ramble on about that. Just wanted to gather information in there before everyone comments, oh, it made bugger all power, blah, 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 blah. We're not shooting for massive power. But anyway, got to get this out, got to move them two cars out, get the trailer out. So let's do a quick little time-lapsey thing, cut and paste bit of all these cars getting started and moved, and we'll go from there. So this one first, forward decks, VE after. So let's get on with it. Okay guys, so just like that, we got it strapped on there. Did some trailer mods on the way. I had to add another strut because it was still tilting on its own back up after weight got to a certain point. I do have to order another couple struts. I still got to use the kangaroo jack for now, that's fine. But at least unloading, I shouldn't have to. I'm quick enough rolling back. Yeah, so I am now got a couple house chores to do. So I'm going to do that. Got to go put the 85, fill that completely up. Going to get these videos I just filmed onto the laptop ready. So this is empty hard drive space, and then we'll come back when it's on the dyno. I'm not going to bother filming it getting loaded up and everything, but hopefully we'll get all my cameras working, like unlike the L67 Callaway where the inside car one didn't, so that sucked. So I'll try to make sure this one does. So we'll come back then. So we'll see you guys soon.
So I'm going to talk over a dyno fan, we're really close. That is the end of that. I spun the clutch. So gate pressure, I don't actually know what it is. My map sensor's reading incorrect compared to the dyno sensor, which I believe more, because the settings, I know this is an eBay map sensor I believe, so I'm going to put my link 4 bar on it, which I know reads correct. Come back to the dyno another time, guess I got to get another clutch for it. Yeah, here's what it is. Just going to leave that fan on and blow the fumes out, because I haven't got my extraction sorted out yet, but I'm going to load up, pack up, and I'll probably close this video out at home.